Can you turn me up in the headphones? That's good.
Don't understand. She must have told me a lie.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Welcome to the Mike Experience. Yeah. This is a movement. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy. This a movement giving game to the foolish, speaking to the soul. Here's something to groove with. Truth is, I'm connected to music. It's like God said you was destined to do this. Resurrect the game, give sight to the Judas. Be true to the art, watch out for the Brutus. Since I was a youth kid, I was in tune with jazz, soul, rock, rhythm and blueses. I used to walk to school with the hip-hop bop. They said I look stupid, but so what, because that is my culture. No, I don't think it's where it's supposed to be, but hopefully it'll change with me, the Born MC. What's crazy, right? Everybody's telling me like, you supposed to change the game. Oh, there goes another one of you again. I just laugh. I ain't trying to be the greatest or the jury or the judge, but what I'm saying is, watch out for the kid, he's the next generation. I clutch the mic so I go to war with Satan. Straight blatant, not disguised and faking. Better call Messiah so I can start this saving. Edgar Allan poems, they call me the Raven. Never more homes, I represent everlasting thrones. My mind's my nine, I'm blasting domes. It's my first at-bat and I'm passing home. Fantastic flame on when I speak, it's a heat wave. Speak to your blind spot, people can't see straight. 8 Frosted Flakes cause they say that he's great. They told me to slow my flow, but this is a feet race. When I first rap, people didn't believe me. Can you believe that, dog? So I was having a conversation with an old friend of mine. Told her I was thinking about doing this hip-hop thing. She said, you rap? Get out of here. She said, you ain't sell drugs or kill nobody. I said, I gotta do all that to flow? To lay down 16? That's funny.